And she meet in an accident.
Yeah.
After she meet in an accident, now
Yeah.
them say the only thing can save her face when she can manga back again.
Yeah.
And it's a use piece of body jam pot her face.
Cheese and crime.
Yeah.
Where
The doctor say evil.
She going at the surgery and them use piece of body jar and patch her face and
Yeah.
to win the contest.
Yeah.
So everybody asks her about the contest and say, oh, we managed to win.
Yeah.
What was the surgery? You have any problem? You know? The surgery was alright, don't go one fault up. I'm say,
What
what's the
is the
fault?
fault?
What's the fault?
What
you
the
know?
fault?
Sometimes my face feel like it want to sit down.
What the name of that joke?
Body face.
Yo! Yo, them man I best storyteller out of Jamaica. When there? I want to find in TikTok or YouTube or Instagram.